Llamiell,
what's up?
So these are the top 5 things that we use to make RV living a little easier. Number 5, 2 ways hose splitter. Number 4, Llamiell Pro. Number 3, vented washer dryer combo unit. Number 2 is the Camco Cyclone roof vent. Number 1 is our water softener and our water filtration system. Are you guys ready for this one? This is number 1, our water softener system and our water filtration system. Let's see it. All right, and number 1 is our water softener and our water filtration system. So this is a portable on-the-go water softener. It's 16,000 grain and it delivers soft water throughout the whole RV. I love it. This is the water filtration system. So then that way the water is softened and it's filtered at the same time. So, and this is usually made for whole house systems, so that way we know it's really good for our RV, but I just love it. I don't have to change these filters every like 6 months, but it's perfect for us, so. All right, number 2 brings us to the roof. It's the Camco Cyclone roof vent. If you want to get the smells out of the RV, this is perfect. All right, and number 3 on the list for us is the washer dryer combo unit. Yes, the vented one, because it will save a lot more on the dry time. It's already a pretty lengthy dry time, but if you don't have it vented, it'll be even more. But we love it because we can just wash and it'll dry right after that wash, so we can just press play and go. All right, in at number 4 is the Llamiell Pro. No, you won't find it anywhere here on the panel. You'll actually find it in itself right here. We chose to mount it there. You can mount it anywhere close to the front, so then that way you can use your Bluetooth to see if you need to go up or down or left or right on the RV. So we like it because it takes out the stress in trying to manually level it yourself. So that's our number 4. Coming in at number 5 is our 2 ways hose splitter. It's actually a 4-way, but it's called 2 ways. So let's take it out. I love how easy it is to turn this on and off. I know that may seem silly to some of you guys, but that actually is a hassle when you have to deal with the brass ones that have the little black levels on it. It just gets stuck, or they'll break off, or they just won't work. But that's our top 5. Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. Let us know what you guys use or what you guys may recommend that we can try out. But until next time, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below. See ya.
Subscribe.